Hi, I'm Jeremy from School of Wok, and this is AIA's Handmade Noodle Challenge. Do you guys like noodles?
Yeah, love super noodles, especially chicken flavour.
I'm going to show you how to make your own noodles from scratch in a very short space of time, but we're going to make it even more difficult. It's Harry going to ask you loads of quiz questions in between.
Okay, let's go.
But that's a noodle dough, and that is basically plain flour, water, and an egg. And then what you want to do is you want to roll that out as thin as possible and in as uniform a shape as possible so that we don't lose too much of that dough.
Last season, Kane and Son broke the record for Premier League's most prolific partnership in a single campaign. But how many goals did they combine for? Is it A, 13, B, 14, or C, 15?
Oh.
Tough question.
I'm going to say 13.
Wrong.
What was it, 14?
14.
Well, to be fair, you are disturbing him.
Yes,
but you want to try and get
super thin.
You want to try and get it as uniform as possible.
Uniform with food don't really mean anything to me. I think you need to...
Next step, okay? So remember how I sort of rolled the pastry up? So do the same here. So roll it up all the way across. Now, what you want to do is you want to pop that on here, keep your hand kind of lightly on there and pull the rolling pin out without breaking the pastry.
It's like you're playing Jenga.
Right, step 2, cutting. And then you're going to cut. I'll do the first couple of slices for you. It's actually pretty good. I'm judging you on creativity.
One finger was over the edge there.
All right, question 2, Dowie. What is the capacity of Tottenham Hotspur Stadium? A, 59,500, B, 61,750, or C, 62,850?
B, 61,000.
That is the wrong answer. Correct answer is C.
62.
62,850.
Oh man, I didn't know it was still...
You got the questions wrong and you can't even cut your noodles. What's wrong with you? No.
They could all be connected there.
I think they'll be all right. You know what? In Chinese tradition, the longer your noodles, the longer your life is.
Okay.
Right, so you get a load of corn flour, put it over there, and just sort of run your fingers lightly through the noodles and just open them up and show Harry how amazing your noodling is. Really show us. Make it. That's really, that's it. Don't press them together too much. Just like this. Watch this. There you go. See? Look at that.
I know, look all right. I'm
That's
good with
all right,
that.
isn't it?
Are you happy with that?
Yeah.
That's good, isn't it?
I'm going to live forever.
That is. You are going to live forever. That's it. That's all you have to do. Done. The next step is to make up your sauce. We're going with a high-protein peanut butter, and that's going to be the main base of the sauce. It's kind of like, I guess, like a Chinese-style satay sauce for the noodles. All you have to do is mix all those things together and as much or little as or chili oil as you want in that bowl.
Whilst you're doing that, question 3. Who was Spurs' top goal scorer in the first ever Premier League season? A, Jermaine Defoe, B, Teddy Sheringham, or C, Robbie Keane?
Teddy Sheringham. Yeah. Because the others were not playing.
Well done. If you didn't get that one, I would have walked out.
Got a point.
This looks pretty good, doesn't it?
It does, it. Next step, and this is going to happen really quickly now, because Chinese food is all about preparation. And you've done all your preparation now.
So do you want me to stop stirring?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay.
90% prep, 10% cooking.
Okay.
We're on to the cooking, right? So this is going to happen in minutes.
Is that the max heat you can go to?
No, we can go on to max. So you want it on max? Can you take the heat?
Yeah, I can take the heat.
So go. All right.
Oh, you had to do it for you.
Can you give it a wok toss? Kind of like flicking a pancake? Long push forward, quick flick backwards.
I know, but they're standing right there.
He's worried about what oh my! Okay, I shouldn't have asked you to do that.
There's only one portion left.
It's yours.
So we turn the heat down a bit.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
So we want this to come to a boil. Once that's boiling, then you're just going to carefully take your noodles over and just sort of sift them into the, do that chefy thing that you like to do. Yeah.
What's that?
When did Spurs first travel to Korea? A, 2005, B, 2017, or C, 2015?
2017.
Wrong. 2005.
I was never getting that one.
That's it, look at that. There you go, you're doing your chefy thing. No, they're all right, you know, they're all right, they're good. One big, long noodle, you're happy. You know, dish them out. Give them a little shake when they come out. So, yep. That's it, little shake. Perfect, straight into the bowl. Whoa!
It's all right, under control.
Whoa.
It's under control.
Yeah. Last step, compiling your noodles. Right, so all you have to do is you've got your noodles, make a little sort of hole in the middle there, like so. Right, and then just, that didn't really work, did it?
It's all stuck together.
Put your meat,
Right, presentation.
make it as beautiful as you can.
Last question while you're at it. How many hours of sleep should we aim to get per night? A, 6 to 7 hours, B, 7 to 9 hours, C, 9+.
7 to 9 hours.
Correct. Well done, mate.
Thank you.
Nice. No, you're okay, you're
Why
okay.
have you missed the
over the
middle?
meat, over the meat, over the meat, yeah. That's it. You can use as much of a little of
Can I
that
mix
sauce
it in?
Yeah, you can mix it in, if you want, yeah.
But it don't look terrible.
Here you go. Give me a little mix. I mean, it looks so great until you did that, but okay.
Oh, no.
All right.
Oh, a little...
Well, the thing is, crossing chopsticks in our tradition is not necessarily the best for our luck.
They weren't
so-
crossed. They weren't crossed. They were like this.
But I'll give you that. I think, you know,
Wait,
I think you've done a stellar job. I think it actually, the noodles themselves look amazing.
They did it really nice.
Do you want to try them?
I'll try them. I need a fork, though.
Should we give you a round of applause first?
Yeah, go on. Hang on, mate. Mate. That actually tastes really nice.
Do you like that?
It's really nice.
Not too spicy.
What do you think?
I like a thick noodle like that.
Yeah, the noodles
You like
nice.
that? Yeah, like, so texture, I agree, like, texture's good on these.
Overall, Dowie, I'm going to give you an 8 out of 10.
Thank you.
I'd agree with that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was actually worried looking at the bowl that it wouldn't taste that nice, but it.
You know, honestly, I think you've done an amazing job because actually making noodles from scratch, especially when you said, you know, super noodles are your go-to.
No, that's really nice.
You know, that didn't take long at all.
No, I was really happy with that. So thank you.